And today's tip is how to cook your Brussels sprouts and some other veggies. Save time by using what us chefs call blanching and refreshing, which means boiling the sprouts in advance and dropping them in cold water to stop the cooking process. Then the next day, all you need to do is reheat them in a wok-style pan. And I love to fry them with chestnuts and bacon. Again, traditional. So you can also pre-blanch other vegetables too. Carrots, for example, can be pre-blanched, they're just soft, and then kept for Christmas Day, and then you can just pan fry them with butter or roast them. Now for the Brussels sprouts, and these are special Brussels sprouts because they taste amazing, you're going to need some olive oil, you're going to need some bacon, the Brussels of course, a little bit of Maldon salt, good quality salt, and some cooked chestnuts and some butter. And simply in a large Chinese style wok, heat it over a low heat, cook the bacon until crispy, which is about 5 minutes, and then you add the chestnuts, which you've just roughly chopped up a bit, and you cook it with the bacon for 2 or 3 minutes more. Then transfer that to a paper towel lined plate just to put aside for a second, and then you put the blanched Brussels sprouts. Now the reason for blanching them is because you pre-cooked them, but they're still a little crispy in the center, which is important, and you're going to drop them into the wok and you're going to get them crispy and lightly browned on the outside, and they'll be tender but just a bit al dente, as we say, in the center, which is delicious for Brussels. They don't want to be overcooked. So then at that point you can then put back your chestnuts and back your bacon from the plate and cook it all together uncovered in the wok, add a touch of butter just to cream it all up a little bit, and then serve them. I mean, they're absolutely delicious. It's such a simple way of serving Brussels sprouts, but amazing flavors, and absolutely essential Brussels on Christmas Day.